Guys, right now I'm leaving Florida. I just got on the highway. We're going to Texas. I'm gonna go pick up my drift truck and see you guys out there. Out here, my uncle. But yeah, it's gonna take like 16 hours, so I'll see y'all out there. Out here, can't wait to get my truck. Can't wait to get my truck. Not stop driving. So guys, right now I'm in Louisiana, a few hours away from Texas. I'm going to pick up my OG single cab that I had dropped off there like 4 or 5 months ago. I went ahead and got the transmission and the engine rebuilt, and I don't know what else, but it's not dropped or anything. I gotta bring it back down here and do everything down here. I found an area that does it locally, so see how it goes. Y'all gonna see what's up with it. So guys, just woke up from a nap. Right now, leaving the gas station. About to get out of Louisiana. Tired as fuck. About to cross Orange City.
To Texas.
Just got into Texas. Look at this. Look at this. So after driving since like 7 o'clock since last night, it's 10:30 all night. But we finally got here. We're heading right now to Houston, and bro, Texas is just different out here. Look, we don't ask for money out here. We hustle out here, guys. We hustle out here. Not like Naples. Not like Naples. Guys, right now we're in Houston. We just met up with my cousins, so we'll show you around Houston. What's up, guys? We just arrived to get the truck here in Houston. Let's see what's up. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it.
Let me open the gate.
What's up, guys? I just got my Silverado back. I'm pretty excited to see what they're done with it. But yeah, we'll see what's up. See what's up. This is my babe, bruh. This is my baby. Coming back to Florida with me. As she should. So any of y'all that don't know what this truck is or why I keep recording it, this is the first truck Silverado dropped. Idea. I don't know. I redid all this shit. I redid the headliner. I added this, replaced this, did everything. The glove box. Now I gotta change the seats, the door panels, ladder system. I gotta drop it now. Hey, I'm happy as fuck. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. God damn, I haven't seen this bitch in months.
Alright. ¿Ya quedó? Hay que tener poquito, porque está muy poquito gas y no me gusta que ande así porque no se puede eliminar la cosa. Pero tiene, la base de dedo tiene.
What's up, guys? We got robbed. No, I'm playing around. Got my truck. Hold up, look at it. Oh, the Guys, right now we're leaving Texas. We went up to Houston to go pick up one of my trucks. So right now we're going back to Florida. It was only like a 2-day trip. We just went and came back to Florida. I'm gonna show you what's up with the truck. Man, this shit gonna be lit, bro. It's gonna be lit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some baby billets on it. I'm not too sure, but I got something nice coming for that. That was my first ever build, so you know I'm gonna go all out on that one. So yeah, stay tuned for that. What's up, guys? I just got back to Naples last night. Right now we're currently washing the trucks. I got 2 of my trucks here, and then we just got another truck. So this one and my Cata, they're both gonna be performance trucks. This one for now, you know, give me about a month or 2. I have it looking right, have it sounding clean. Like I said, these 2 trucks right here, my Cata and the GMC, they're both, I'm gonna make them performance trucks because we already got really like show trucks. So for now, you know, I'm making them to my little performance trucks, you know, little race trucks, and you know, that's how everything's gonna go for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe and follow.